this problem, what you have to do to fix the problem is go straight to your phone menu and try to search for the app. When you find the app, just use your finger to tap on it for some while. Now this is going to pop up. Tap on application details, and now we are at apps info or app info. Now tap on storage permission. After tapping on permission, tap on the storage and make sure it's allowed. So after doing this, what you have to do is to tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. Now tap on notifications and make sure all notifications are toggled on. When all notifications are toggled on, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and now make sure the background data is toggled on. After doing this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store to check for the update of this app. After updating the app, tap on the power button for some while and you're going to see reboot. Just tap on the reboot or restart to reboot this device. This is how to fix this problem.